Cosmos Cook-wok. A perfect example of state-of-the-art technology being customized to create the ultimate cooking machine is the Cosmos Cook-wok. The Cosmos Cook-wok is specially designed for Indian and Asian cooking. And can be used to prepare a wide variety of curries, base masalas, sweets, pickles, mixed rice, etc. Its unique engineering helps the Cosmos Cook-wok saute and cook ingredients for that perfect taste and consistency. It comes with auto ignition, concealed burners, and variable speed controls. The bowl is made from SUS 304. The mixing arm, lid and revolving head assembly are made of stainless steel. And the mixing paddle is made of 4F Teflon, imported from Japan.